All right, number 9 and number 4 are going to be very similar as far as how you're going to do it and how you're going to set everything up. So the only thing different here is that it's going to be a different formula because it says it's going to be continuously. So if we're using continuously compounded interest, we're going to have A equal to P times E to the R times T power. So again, we want to know what the principal is, or how much we deposited. Okay, we want to know what the principal is if after 15 years at 3.9% we made $2.5 million. Okay, so we'll do everything the same way. Only thing that's going to be different is that the starting value is going, and the formula is going to be different. So we're still going to have $2,500,000 equal to P times E to, now my rate is 3.9, so it's going to be 0.039 times 15. Okay. I need to figure out what this value is first. Okay. So whenever I do it, again, I'll go to the calculator, and whenever I do, I'm going to take E, I'm going to go second, and go to the natural log button of, it was 15 years times, was it 3.9%? Yes. So my value there is 1.79499, all that. I'm going to do everything the same way just like I did before, but instead I'm going to have 2,500,000 Okay, so this value right here is the same as this value here. I'm going to do everything the same way. I'm going to take the 2.5 million or 2,500,000 and I'm going to divide it by my answer. So I'm going to take 2,500,000 and I'm going to divide it by second and then go to my answer and hit enter. And I'm going to have to start, okay, if I want to do this for 15 years, I'm going to need to start with $1,392,764.66. Again, don't round it because I want to get the closest answer possible, and the closest, and it's going to be a decimal already, but I only want to round this thing one time. I don't want to round it twice. Because even if you take 2,500,000 and we divide it by, if I would just go like 1.79, okay, it's still a big discrepancy. It's about $4,000 off of what it actually is. Okay? If you don't have to put in an extra $4,000, okay, then what would be the point? Okay? If you're trying to figure out how much you need to start with for this to happen, okay, now if you have almost $1.4 million just lying around just to invest, maybe $4,000 isn't a big deal. Probably isn't. But we want this answer, or I want this answer, and not the rounded value.